Do you notice that your back pain increases when you stand up, and especially after you've been on your feet for a long period of time? Hey, this is Dr. Michael Cuthbertson at Physio, and I'm going to show you an exercise that will help to decrease the irritation by getting the tissues and muscles in the front of the abdomen to become more functional. One of the common reasons why this might happen, back stiffness when you're standing, is because you have a spine dysfunction that causes your psoas to tighten up. For more information about the function anatomy of the psoas, refer to my other video on that. For this exercise, you're going to use an exercise ball, or you can even use a bench to sit on or a stool. For this, you're going to need something to anchor your feet into. If you don't have something, you can recruit your friend, your family member to hold your feet. Place your feet under that surface. I just have my exercise bike here. It's nice and sturdy. I know it's not going anywhere. Sit on the ball, and as we do this exercise, we're going to do a sit-up motion. But that motion is going to be coming from the hips. I call this a hip hinge or psoas sit-up. So as you do this, you're going to slowly go backwards. Make sure your chin stays tucked. And then at the point that you feel a little bit of shaking, you're going to hold that position. And then you're going to come back up. You're going to hold that for as long as you can. 30 seconds to a minute is a pretty long time. And then you're going to go back down. And then you're going to come back up. Don't go beyond the point that you feel that shaking. Again, hinging at the hips, the spine stays straight, and then back up. You can do some repetitions to that point. And back up. That's at the level that you lose that stability from those tissues, from the psoas. Going down and then back up. Working on that, making sure to control the motion and get in there a few 3 to 5 holds at that position where you start to shake. After you've done that, you should find that the point at which you can go back to increases before you start to feel that shaking. Work through that to your tolerance. Try to do as many as you're able to with control. And you'll find that this will improve the function of those hip flexor muscles and start to take away the tension and the pain in your back after you've been standing for a long period of time. After I've done this exercise, my back feels great. As you begin to do this, do it on a daily basis, and you'll notice that when you stand for those long periods of time when your back used to be stiff and get painful, that will start to improve and it'll ease and melt that tension away. Thanks for following along today, and remember, your potential is within reach.